how to install packages using a package manager like MSYS2. That would make it easy for us to install like SDL or the package that we need for our project in CMake and in C++. So first we have to install it. I already have mine installed. After installing it, you can see here exactly what the steps are, which are very easy to do. After that, you have to launch in the start menu in Windows. You have this one, MSYS MinGW64. If you don't have it, first install it. In this guide right here, it tells you how to install the MinGW64. And if you just follow it, you will have the MSYS2 MinGW executable that you can run to launch the terminal. And after launching the terminal, you have to install SDL3, and we can search it, SDL3. We can search it on Google, and we can see that you will see here MinGW64. You open it, and afterwards you copy this command and you paste it right here, and you'll have it installed. And I already have it installed, so it just reinstalled it. And now we have SDL3 ready in our application. And now we need to set up in CLion. Obviously, we should have CLion installed. And in CLion, once we start a project, I will now show you how to start a project. First, when you open the window, you can click New and click here, New Project. And then we add C++ executable, and you can choose the version you want. Just choose anyone you want. And we click this window, and afterwards we should click on the left bar, CMake, and then settings, and then CMake settings. And now we have to manage toolchains. And you have to click here plus, and you click MinGW, and you can name it MinGW MSYS or MinGW64 MSYS2. And here we need to choose custom MinGW installation, and you have to go to C and MSYS64 and MinGW64 and here. And here you can see that it shows for us the version. And after that, you just click apply and click OK. And now in the settings, when we were back here, you should choose the one that you just added, and you click apply and click OK. And now we can run the project. And here you can see that everything ran successfully. And the way to install CLion is through here on JetBrains website. Click download, and you'll click download for Windows if you are on Windows. And in the CMake list, we should include find package, SDL3, and then config, and then required. And after finding the package, we have to link the library to the executable. Target, link libraries, and we should choose the name, which is untitled one. And here we add private, and we add SDL3, and we should add it at the end of our project. And I copied and pasted a code example from SDL documentation. And what you need to know only that we have the app initializer first, and then the app event when the events, and the app iterate, which is the game loop, and the quit, which cleans up everything for us. It depends on what we have. And I will add the links either in the comments or in the description.